Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my daily use cooking set, the 5-piece Scanpan Impact set. Cooking on a daily basis at my home, for my family, I find stainless steel to be the most versatile, safe and hygienic option. And it looks absolutely amazing too. Scanpan is a Danish brand and I got this at a huge discount from the original retail price of $700 to $250 only. What a steal! I also got the steamer as I steam vegetables every night. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. See you in the next one.